Good morning everyone. Let's start Maths Grade 6 Chapter 7 Fractions. Learning objectives. After this session, learners will be able to define a fractional unit, apply the concept of fraction to solve real world problems. Introduction to fractions. See, if there are 3 chocolates and 3 persons are there, then how they will divide between them? Each one will get 1 chocolate. If one cake is there, if they want to divide it off among 3 of them, so how they will divide now? Now comes to the concept of the fraction. Fraction means something that we are dividing into the parts. So here each one person is going to get as a 1 chocolate. So this is normal natural number. But this here is going to 1/3 of the portion, 1 divided by 3. Second person will get 1/3 of the portion and third person will get 1/3 of the portion. This is called as a fraction. Let us see basic definition. A fraction can be a portion or section of any quantity. It is expressed as a ratio of two numbers, the numerator and the denominator. For example, if we say fraction is x by y, then x is called as a numerator, y is called as a denominator. Notation, as where fraction is written in the form of x by y. Example of the fraction is 1 by 2. Second example, 1 by 4. Write the fractional number of the shaded portion. See here, this is shaded with a green, but this rectangle is divided into 3 parts. One is shaded with a green. So what is this here? The fractional number for this one is 1 divided by 3. 1 by 3. Second one. See, there are only 2 fractions are there. Yellow is this one part of that one. So total 2, 1. So we'll write as 1 by 2. Here there are 3 portions are shaded among 4. So we'll make it as a 3 by 4. Fractional units and equal shades. Let's see conversation between this Benny and Smith. Benny asks which fraction is greater, 1 by 5 or 1 by 9? Arvind replies 9 is bigger than 5. So I would guess that 1 by 9 is greater than 1 by 5. Am I right? Benny says no, that is a common mistake. Think of these fractions as shades. Arvind, if one roti is shared among 5 children, each one will get a share of 1/5 of a roti. If one roti is shared among 9 children, each one gets a share of 1/9 of roti. Exactly. Now think again, which share is higher? If I share with more people, I get less. So 1 by 9 is less than 1 by 5. So what here we are concluding this? If we are dividing one part into this many, here this, there are this 4, assume that 4 portions are there. Then each part, this part will become 1/4 of that one. Assume that now again the same pizza we are dividing only between the 2 persons. So what we'll get? Each person will get as this between the 2 persons 1 by 2. So among this one 1 by 4 and which is greater? Obviously 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 4. So Benny, you got it, he says. Now hope you understood with this example. Let us see fractional unit. When one unit is divided into several equal parts, each part is called as a fractional unit. So what is this definition of the fractional unit? When one unit is divided into equal parts, okay, then this is called as a fraction. Each part is called as a fractional unit. For example, here a cake is divided into 4 parts. Then 1/4 of this one is called as a fractional unit. Example, these fractional units are 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6 and so on. We also sometimes refer the fractional unit as a unit fractions. Knowledge from the past. Fractions have been used and named in India since ancient times. In the Rig Veda, the fraction 3/4 is referred as a tripada. This has been same meaning as a word for 3/4 in many Indian languages today. Example, teen pav in colloquial Hindi and mukkal in Tamil. Indeed, words for fraction used today in many Indian languages go back to ancient times. Let us see exercise questions. Figure it out. Fill in the blanks with the fractions. 3 govas together weigh 1 kg. 1 kg. If they are roughly of the same size, each gova will roughly weigh dash kg. See now, there are the 3 govas are there. That's roughly of the same size. But together all this will combine make it as is 1 kg. Then how much each will weigh? Obviously 3 govas is equals to the 1 kg. Therefore 1 gova weight will be equals to 1/3 of this kg. So 1/3 kgs. Second question, fill in the blanks with a fraction. A wholesale merchant packed 1 kg of rice in 4 packets of equal weight. So this is 1 kg is there, but this 1 kg is packed into this 4 equal parts of this one. This 4 entire will become this 1 kg. Now each packet how much we need to consider. So weight of 4 packets of the rice will be equal to 1 kg. Now 1 packet of rice will be equals to 1 divided by 4. Figure it out. Third question. 4 friends ordered 3 glasses of sugarcane juice and shared it equally among themselves. Each one drank dash glass of sugarcane juice. For example, now 4 persons are there. They have ordered only 3 glasses of juice. So how they will share equally? We know that this number is 4 members are there, but 3 we have 3 glasses. So they will get as is 3/4 of this each one. Let us see solution. 4 friends ordered juice is equals to 3 glasses. Quantity of juice in each glass they will drink will be 3/4 of this glass. Let us see, fill in the blanks. Fourth question. The big fish weighs half kg and the small one weighs 1/4 kg. Together they weigh dash. Here big fish is weighing is half kg. The small one is 1/4. So together means 1/2 plus 1/4 we need to add. When we are adding, we have to take LCM for this one. Therefore 1/2 plus 1/4 LCM of this 2 and 4 will be equals to 4. 2 2 is here 2 plus 1 nothing but 3 divided by 4. So therefore together they will weigh 3/4 of kg. So the total weight of the big fish and the small fish is equals to 3/4 of the kg. Fifth question. Find out and discuss the words for fraction that are used in the different languages spoken in your home city, state. Ask your grandparents or parents, teachers and classmates what words there are different fractions such as this 1, 1.5, 3/4, 1.5 quarter, half quarter and 2.5 and write them here. Now arrange the fractions in the words in the order from the smallest to the biggest in the empty box below. 1.5, 3/4, 1.25, half, quarter, 2.5. So first let us write each one. 1.5 means 1.5. Next 3/4. 3/4. See 3/4. 1.25. So 1.25 is 1.5. Next half is 1. Only 1/2. Next quarter is 1/4. 2.5 is 2.5. Next, the correct order is we are writing in this from smallest to the biggest. So quarter. Quarter is 1/4. Next, half is 1/2. 3/4 is 3/4. Next, 1.25 is 1/4. 1.5 means 1/2. 2.5 means 2/2. That order is from the smallest to biggest is 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, 1/4, 1/2 and 2/2. Thank you.